I'm Blaine McDonald once again, and we're walking through different facets of credit in Canada. If you like this video, please hit the like button, forward to a friend that could make use of it. Hit that bell button to subscribe for future videos when they come out. And most importantly, it would help me greatly if you were to subscribe to this channel. Credit. What the heck is credit? Credit scores are designed to predict the likelihood that individuals will pay their bills as agreed. The different credit providers report information to one of two reporting agencies, and each of those then in turn compile the information and provide that information to anybody potentially offering credit to individual people. So what exactly does a credit score mean? Now that you understand what credit is, and you understand what affects your credit, and hopefully after the last video, if you didn't go back and look at it, you got your credit and you know what your credit score is. So now the question is, what does this credit score mean? Now I've broken down this range from 300 poor credit to 900 excellent credit into 4 categories based on Equifax's categories of credit utilization: poor, average, good, and excellent. So let's explore in a little bit of detail each one of these categories. First of all, poor credit. Most lenders will be reluctant to approve customers with this credit score under 500. People in this category likely either haven't had any credit or very long at all, or haven't demonstrated responsible credit behavior in paying their bills back on time. Or they may have much too little credit available to come up with the number, or they may have, in a short period of time, incurred large amounts of debt. That's poor credit, 300 to 500. If you're over 500, then you're doing good. In fact, average credit in Canada, according to Equifax, is 500 to 650. The average credit score in Canada ranges between 660 and 640. People who fell into this category don't have a perfect record, though it's not a terrible record. Having average credit should open up most lending opportunities, but they may not get the very best loan terms. And then there's good credit. Good credit is around that mid 650 range up to about 724. This is considered good, and lenders typically view a credit score between 660 and 724 as low-risk borrowers. They'll likely be offered the best interest rates as they've demonstrated the best credit behavior. Scores from 725 to 759 are considered very good. Excellent credit, however, over 760 is sometimes difficult to obtain. But it is considered excellent, and you will likely qualify for the very best loan terms. If you manage to reach a credit score of 900, you have literally a perfect credit score. People in this category have demonstrated exceptional credit behavior, and they've proven that they're extremely responsible to potential lenders. Lenders, for somebody with a 900 credit score, will have confidence that that is a reliable borrower. So how on earth do we get good credit? Well, here's a few tips in terms of improving your less than perfect credit. For if you don't have a perfect credit, don't worry, there is a solution. So here's a few tips. A little bit of a disclaimer. I am a financial advisor, but this isn't considered financial advice. These are general principles regarding credit. Talk to your financial advisor for specifics in your case. Some ways to improve a credit score: take out new credit. Get a collateral loan or a car payment or a new credit card and make these payments on time, and this will help you build credit. Automate your payments. Your financial advisor can help you with this. You will never miss a payment if you automate them so that your payments are always paid on time. Save yourself the hassle and keep them completely automated. Pay your credit card balance in full. The less money that you have on a credit card, the better. Not to mention the interest rate aside, even from a credit point of view. If you pay your bill in full each month, you'll avoid interest, fees, and continue to build credit. Have more available credit than the credit that you use. Especially when it comes to credit cards, try to use less than half of the credit that you have available. If you keep your balance under half, it'll give your score a boost each and every reporting period, usually every 7 days. And lastly, borrow what you can afford. Try not to live beyond your means. Don't live off your credit. Borrow what you can afford within your means that you should be able to pay it back and maintain good credit. I hope this credit series has been useful for you. I hope it's been good. Forward this to a friend that you think could be that you think that it could help. And don't forget to like the video. And most importantly, if you could subscribe to the channel, that would be fabulous. And also hit that bell button and that'll notify you whenever a new video of mine comes up. Thanks again for watching. Look forward to more videos.